In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an invitation link on Circle. So, it's an essential process to know, especially if you're managing a community or network on the platform and want to invite new members effortlessly. We'll go through each step together, ensuring that it's easy to follow along. First, let's start by logging into your Circle.so admin account. If you're not already logged in, head over to the Circle.so website and enter your credentials. Once you're in, you'll have access to the administrative panel where all your community management tools are located. This is your dashboard, and it's where you'll manage everything from members to content. Next, navigate to the members section of the admin panel. Here, you'll see a variety of options related to your community's members. For our purpose today, you'll want to look for the option that says Invite Members. Clicking on this will take you to where you'll manage invitations. Once you're in the Invite Members area, you want to choose the option that says Invite via link. This method is incredibly convenient because it allows you to send an invitation link directly to potential members, bypassing the need to send individual emails. It's perfect for sharing on social media or in a newsletter and saves you a lot of time. Now, it's important to determine which space or plan this invitation link should grant access to. Circle allows you to have multiple spaces or membership levels within your community. Select the space that aligns with your invitation's purpose, whether it's a general community area or a more exclusive group. Make sure it matches what you're offering to potential members. After you've selected the appropriate space, you'll see the option to generate link. This action does precisely what it says. It creates a unique invitation link specific to the space or plan you've selected. Generating the link is straightforward, and it takes just a click to complete this step. With your link generated, the final step is to share it. Click on Copy to have the link saved to your clipboard. From here, you can easily paste it in an email, a direct message, or a social media post to reach out to your potential members. Sharing the link is as versatile as you need it to be, making it accessible for you to expand your community efficiently. And that's it. In just a few simple steps, you've created and shared an invitation link on Circle.so.